Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Various clauses have been examined at considerable length by two very experienced parliamentarians. They have posed a question and asked for justification of this temporary relief with regard to the cases which are covered by those clauses. The basic fact which is to be remembered while examining a provision of this nature is the practical human side along with the purely legal side. After all, it is not the government's case at the moment that a case has come for doing away with the various clauses. A case, however, does exist for affording some relief, but what form that relief should take is a much bigger issue which was intended to be thrashed out after a careful inquiry and investigation of all the relevant facts. I said at the outset that it was the government's intention to go into this question carefully, and the intention is to appoint a committee upon which the various interests may be represented, and in that we also hope to be benefited by the advice of honorable members of parliament, and it will be for that committee to examine the various aspects and suggest as to what revision this way or that way towards the right or towards the left is called for, and pending that investigation there should be some relief to the people who are on the point of being thrown on the road side. It could have been argued that the relief should have been suggested by some of the honorable members that this temporary relief could cover all the clauses. Well, there may be some force in that, but it is a question of balancing the inconvenience caused to one group as compared to the other, and in the judgment of government it was considered that if this selection is made and those cases are only brought within the purview of the present amending bill, whereby the landlord is not put to any real hardship, then it will be a case really for giving relief to the tenant. Now, if these clauses are examined, they will be grouped broadly under one or two categories. The position in Delhi as it obtains today is that the price of land has increased considerably. My honorable friend who sits on semi-opposition benches made out a case of imaginary hardship for the residents of Delhi. He said lakhs and lakhs of refugees have come down here and they have caused a lot of inconvenience and hardship to the old residents of Delhi. Well, some hardship may have been caused, but he conveniently forgets that it is the resident of Delhi who is the owner of small buildings. Full stop.